painter and a teacher whose career spanned 60 years here in Pittsburgh. He's known primarily as a painter of the Hill District. His influence on budding artists is well known. This wonderful painting documents the changes that were coming to Pittsburgh in the late 30s with a redevelopment and the changes to the neighborhood of the Hill where he lived and which he had painted so many pictures.
There are many factors that lead to a painting like this deteriorating. One is something we call inherent vice, which means something in the way the painting was made leads to its deterioration. Environmental conditions make a big difference in how a painting survives or doesn't survive. Big changes in humidity are very destructive to artworks of all kinds. Too much light can cause fading, can cause cracking. So there are a lot of different things that can happen to a painting that might lead it to my door.
Once Christine Daulton's work is done, conserving the painting will be hung in the Library and Archives reading room at the Heinz History Center, and everyone is invited to come and see it.